Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video, I'll show you how to use CupCut Photo Music Video Editor and Maker videos that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Play Store, and in here, search in CupCut. Alright, so here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the templates: make music video with super effects, slideshow, photo to video maker with 3D and neon effects, transitions, choose fantastic transitions template, music, discover and choose, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it now. And while waiting for it to be completed, I just want to let you know that Vidos is the best free HD music video maker and effect photo slideshow maker with trendy templates, popular music, stunning transition, animated neon, 3D, cartoon effects, and video effects. This will help you easily add music to your video, edit video with music and picture for your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. And the main features available for this app is that Vidos provides an extremely high quality editing process, amounts of MB templates with great effects, and transition. The distinctive transition follows the exact music rhythm. Create slideshow with an unlimited mix of photos, clips, easy to use free movie maker and no crop app. And the best effects photo slideshow maker, it has photo editor with animated neon 3D cartoon effects. Slideshow Maker merge your photos to create slideshow with music. Merge multi-photos into one music video without losing quality. Free music video maker for your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Alright, that's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So here it is. So this is the home page, and you will see these effects right away. So you just have to select any of the effects that you want to use to your videos or photos. So as you can see, there's really a lot to choose from. So there, just select any of the effects. You can also go to tabs in here. So new, these are the new effects that has been uploaded. There, cartoon, if you want your photos to be cartoonized, then use this. There's really a lot. And effects, so there you can add lightning, you can add planets, thunder, butterflies, and so on. Swirl, there, so that's the swirl effects. Film, there, it's going to look like a film. So your photos or videos will going to have this kind of effect. And then swing, there, minimal, art frame, so art and then frame, there, sticker, you can also add sticker to your photos or videos. And if you go to menu, you will see this. So watermark, you can add watermark to your photos or videos. It's up to you. You can send feedback, rate the app, or share the app. Alright, so let's go ahead and try any of the effects in here. So let's go ahead and try this kind of effects. This one. So that's the effects that will be applied to our photos or videos. Okay, you can also choose in here which one do you want to use there. So you can see the sample effects before you can choose. There, you can also use that one. Okay, that kind of effects, and this one. Or you can go in here. So let's say that we want to apply this kind of effects. This one, let's try this one. So we just have to tap the make video, and then you have to select your photos in your album. So tap your photos, and it says here please select 8 photos. So you have to select 8 photos. So that one last one, and apply. hit the OK, and here it is. So right now it's processing, and there. So it's now being applied to our photos. And then you can pause it, and then you can apply or change the filter. There you can select like this one, it's up to you. Use this scroll, and you can also use this slide bar to adjust the size. There, the effects has been added. Alright, so let's apply that filter, hit the check marks, and then you can also select any of your photos in here and then apply the effects. So this one, it doesn't have the effects. Let's apply stroke. There, you can apply that kind of stroke there, and then once you're done, you can increase the size by tapping this slide bar. You can even choose the color and the texture. It's up to you. And once you're done, just tap the check mark, and then blur. You can apply the blur. This one, just select any of these. And also background, you can select the background there. As you can see, the background has been added to our photos. So this one or this one, it's up to you. So let's try this one, add, and also let's customize the other photos we have, and then let's apply filter for this one. Okay, effects. Okay, there, let's try that. And once you're done with it, you can play it again there. So if you think that this is already good enough, then you can export it or save it to your gallery. So let's just say that we're done with the editing. Let's export it, and that's the result of what we did earlier. So this one here, Vidos, is the watermark. You can delete the Vidos if you want to. So tap this one to save it to your, tap the download button so that it will be saved on your gallery. So right now it's downloading, and now it's completed. So this video now has been downloaded to our gallery. So you can also share it to your Facebook, your Instagram, or your TikTok, or you can share it to your friends. If you're done with that, you can go back, or you can tap the home. If you want to edit these images again, just tap this one, or you can go back to your home. So let's scroll down, look for the effects that is really good. This one was this. Let's try this. Okay, it's also interesting. This one was this. Okay, so there's really a lot of filters and effects that you can use, that you can choose from. You just have to find the right one for you. So new, these are the new effects. Okay, it's also good. Cartoon, there. So let's try cartoon this time, this one. Alright, so that's the effects. So if you want this, then tap the make a video. You can also select other things in here. This one, let's see what kind of effects is this. Alright, so there, that's the example effects. So this one here, thunder, what's this? Let's take a look. Okay, so thunder has been added to your photos. Film, okay, let's try this. Film, and then let's select this one. Okay, that's the effects being applied. So with Vidos, you can easily add music to your video, combine with your photos, make your photo with animated neon 3D cartoon effects, and so on. So I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to apply, who wants to customize their pictures, videos. It's really going to look nice if you add some effects. And what I like about this app is that it's really easy to use. You just have to tap the pictures you want, and then it will automatically add the effects for you. You don't have to manually apply the edits, it will automatically apply for you. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.